Unveiled at the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf, the 2024 Ford Transit Custom Nugget shines as a game-changing camper. Replacing its predecessor, this model boasts a dynamic shift to the latest Transit Custom platform, a partnership between Ford and Westfalia. The result? A compact home on wheels equipped with top-tier amenities. Highlighting innovation, the Nugget features a self-folding fabric roof for easy lowering and an optional solar roof for eco-friendly energy. Roller blackout blinds offer privacy, and integrated storage keeps outdoor essentials organized. Inside, the camper offers roomy comfort with 2 double beds and adjustable captain's chairs. The rear houses a versatile 3-seat bench with heating options, USB-C ports, and built-in speakers. Notably, a rear-mounted hot-cold shower and optional tailgate tent enhance the outdoor experience. Tech-wise, a 13-inch Sync 4 infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A separate 7-inch touchscreen manages interior settings remotely through a smartphone app. Wireless charging, a 5G modem, and standard tech perks amplify the offering. Driving this Nugget is a revamped chassis promising a car-like feel, featuring independent rear suspension and optional all-wheel drive. A plug-in hybrid version, borrowing from the Kuga PHEV, combines a 2.5-liter gas engine and electric motor for 230 horsepower. The 11.8 kilowatt-hour battery enables an electric range of 20 miles. The diesel model kicks off sales, open for orders with spring 2024 deliveries. The PHEV and other variants follow in the next year. In Germany, pricing begins at 76,500 euros. This Transit Custom Nugget redefines camping, merging innovation, comfort, and versatility for adventurers ready to hit the road.